Hello friends, this is Chandrakant Ghosh. Today I'll tell you about the binomial distribution in this video. Binomial distribution is a discrete distribution, we all know that. Here I'll give an example where I'll show you how to calculate the probability by using the binomial distribution. So let's read out the example first. In a meeting, HOD is estimating the late arrivals of team members. There are a total of 19 team members. The HOD estimates that the probability of late arrival is 40%. Then we have to calculate these. First one is what is the probability that 6 team members arrive late. The second one is what is the probability 4 or fewer team members arrive late to the meeting. Third one is what is the probability that more than 4 team members arrive late to the meeting. You may ask that how do we know that this problem is from the binomial distribution? So when there are only two outcomes, that is success or failure, when the number of trials are fixed, then we can use the binomial distribution. So now let's calculate the probabilities. First one, which says we have to calculate the probability that 6 team members arrive late. Therefore, first one, probability of x equal to 6 equal to, we'll calculate the probability by using the BINOMDIST formula here. So for this, equal to, type BINOMDIST, BINOMDIST, DIST, and your spreadsheet will give you more options where you have to calculate the BINOMDIST and type the x value first. X value here is 6 because we have to calculate the probability that 6 team members arrive late. So we have to type 6 first, comma, number of trials. Number of trials here is 19, comma, probability of success. Probability of success here is 40%, that is 0.4, comma, and then we have to type 0, not the 1. 1 is will type for cumulative, and for the single probability we will put 0 here, because here we have to calculate only for the 6 team members arrive late. Therefore we will put 0, bracket close, press enter. We'll get the probability that the only 6 member will arrive late. Now we'll decrease the decimal. We'll get the probability that is 0.1451. Now we'll calculate the second probability, second one, which says that we have to calculate the probability 4 or fewer team member. That means we have to calculate probability p x less than equal to 4. So therefore we have to calculate the probability from 0 to 4. Therefore I have written here probability x less than equal to 4. For this we have to type equal, type BINOMDIST, select BINOMDIST, and then type x value here is 4, comma, number of trials is 19, probability is 0.4, comma, and then type 1. 1 is for cumulative probability. Cumulative because we have to calculate the probability for 4 or fewer team members. That means it could be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Bracket close and press enter. We will get the probability of 4 or fewer team members arrive late to the meeting. Again we'll decrease the decimal. So the probability is 0.0696. Now we'll calculate the third one, which is probability. It says that probability that more than 4 team members arrive late. Therefore, x greater than 4 equal to this. We can write that 1 minus probability of x less than equal to 4. And this we can write as 1 minus probability of x less than equal to 4 is this one. Therefore, we'll get the value of this one. Probability x less. This is the probability that more than 4 team members arrive late to the meeting. This is the probability that 6 team member will arrive late. This is the probability that 4 or fewer team members arrive late, and this is the probability that more than 4 members arrive late to the meeting. So this probability which we have calculated by using the BINOMDIST formula, and the same thing can be calculated by using the binomial table. Let's see first one, which says probability that 6 members will arrive late. For this, we here n is 19 because the team members we have 19. That is number of trials is 19. Now x value here is 6 and the probability we have is 0.4. Probability of success is 0.4. So let's see for x value 6, probability of 4 value is, for x value is 0.1451. See this value, and which we have already calculated here. This is same. So similarly, probability of x less than equal to 4 also can calculate by using the binomial table, and since this is the cumulative probability value from 0 to 4, therefore we'll use the table, cumulative binomial probability table, for calculating the probability x less than equal to 4. Now we'll see in the table how we'll get the probability value of x less than equal to 4. Here x value is 4, probability value is 0.4. You can see this value is 0.0696, which we have already calculated here. So we have seen how to calculate this probability by using the BINOMDIST formula and by using the binomial table. Now we'll see how to calculate the probability by using an statistical software called Minitab by creating graph. If you have access to the software Minitab, then you can create this graph by putting these values there. If you have Minitab, then open the software, go to graph, go to the probability distribution plot, select view probability among four options, and then click OK. The new window will open where you have to select the binomial distribution, and then you have to enter the 19 against the number of trials, and you have to enter the 0.4 against the event probability, and then you have to click the shaded area tab. These all are in the same window, and then you have to select the X value and the middle because here we have to calculate probability for only 6 team members, and then you have to enter 6 in the X value 1 box, and again you have to enter the 6 in the X value 2 box, and then click OK. You will get this graph and this probability value. You can see the probability value is same as we have calculated by using the binomial DIST formula and by using the binomial table. Similarly, we can calculate the second probability, which is probability of x less than equal to 4, which we have calculated that 0.0696. Now if we use the Minitab, then again we will go to graph and we'll follow the same steps, but here we'll select the x value and left tail. We'll get this graph, and the probability you can see here is same as we have calculated by using the BINOMDIST formula and by using the binomial table. Similarly, we can calculate the third probability by using the Minitab, which is probability of x greater than 4. We have already calculated the probability, that is 0.930, and we'll follow the same steps as we have followed in two previous graphs, except here we have to select x value and right tail, and we have to enter 5 in the x value box. 5 we will enter because here we are going to calculate probability x greater than 4. So now you can see the probability which we have calculated here, and the graph is same. So I have told you about how to calculate the probability by using the binomial distribution or by using the binomial table and by using the Minitab. So this was about binomial distribution. I hope you like this video. If you liked this video, then don't forget to subscribe it by click on the bell icon. Add your valuable comments and share this video to your friends and colleagues to improve and refresh their knowledge. We'll see you in my next video with another topic, that is Poisson distribution. Have a good day.